This is my Vortec 2.0. I'm currently using a VTA body. That's actually a Mustang 1968, I believe, body. It's clear. I didn't paint it just so I could see the electronics. I may paint it later. But this is the very first Speedrun. This is on 2S, so it's a Copperhead ESC, 10 scale. And the motor is a 1412. It's a 3200 kV, which is 2S, 3S, and 4S capable. Again, this is only 2S, so that is 69 kilometers per hour, which in miles would come out to about 42.9, so almost 43 miles per hour. That's what you can expect. Now, if you do a 3S pack, you can get more than that. That is absolutely true. You can get close to 60 miles per hour. A 4S pack, I tried putting one. I do not have the footage. The problem is it's too heavy because those packs are very, very heavy. They're almost half a kilo, over 400 grams. So there's too much weight off to the side, which doesn't give the car traction on the opposite side of the wheel. So it just spins out. It's undrivable. It really is. So 2S, 3S would be the way to go. Here's another 69 kilometers per hour, which again is close to 43 miles per hour. If you do, let's just say 2 small packs of 2S and then run them in series, that would work to get the 4S power. And then I'm sure you can break 60 miles per hour, you could break 70 miles per hour. But to be honest, this system is a great system. It's great for a short course vehicle or a small monster truck. Not really for the Vortec. If you're looking for speed, I'm going to direct you toward the Tekin RX8 ESC with the Tekin 4300 kV. That's another 69 kilometers per hour. The motor is the Tekin Pro4 HD 4300 kV is the one I would recommend for 2S. Do watch my other video if you're curious how that motor does. I do break 60 miles per hour on 2S with that motor, and then there's another motor that I actually end up breaking that speed again. So if you're thinking of 2S, go with Tekin. 3S, this one would work, but the other ones will do the job on 2S. So this is a similar Castle system. So this is the one with a smaller shaft if you wanted to get that one. Or there's the other option with the 5mm shaft, which is the one that I would recommend, 5mm shaft, even though here it's the wrong picture. But this does come in a 5mm shaft. Now, ESC, great ESC motors, great motors. I mean, Castle makes very reliable high voltage motors. The reason why I'm calling them high voltage is because they are rated 2S to 4S, which is quite high. Maximum RPM 75,000, but again, don't pay too much attention. The important thing here is the can, because it is a 62.5mm compared to, say, a 55mm can. Traxxas VXL, I believe, is a 55. Bit longer magnet, so you're going to get a little more torque, which is going to be the advantage. Now this one here comes with connectors. The connectors are actually very good connectors, but nothing beats being soldered on. So here you have a section soldered here and then the other part. Anyway, going back to this, you would need the battery. So batteries are generally about 70. The other options that are less expensive than these probably wouldn't get, simply because the milliamp hour rating is lower than these. This one's actually pretty high. Not sure how good that battery is, but that's pretty high. Usually around this price point you're looking at about 5,000 milliamp hours, and you may want to consider something greater, such as a 6,000 milliamp hour batteries. So if you think about it, you will probably need 2 packs. As of the time of this video, this is $225 plus say $200 for the 2 batteries. You're over $400 versus this is $200 as of the time of this video, and this is less than $200. So this would be less expensive. You can use the 2S packs, and this thing is fast. Like I said, do watch my video. It's in the link below. but I did break 60 miles per hour, and I show the setup and everything with it. This Vortec does have a 48-tooth spur and a 40-tooth pinion. The Castle system is a great system, but perhaps not the best choice for this setup. Now with this one I did manage 70 kilometers per hour, which is going to be this final run, or my very final run. That is just over 40, well, it's 43.5 miles per hour approximately. But this is it. So I hope this was informative, or at least entertaining. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, and I'll catch you in the next one.
What? Oh, my hair! My arm! My rod!